The Large Hadron Collider is a huge ring of 27 kilometers, and that's an accelerator where we accelerate protons in 2 different directions, and then they collide in 4 points. We are just above one of those colliding points at the ATLAS experiment.
The accelerator itself is a time machine, and going up with energy allows us to go back in time and to reach just a tiny amount of time after the Big Bang.
The feeling that you understand that something that nobody in the world had thought about before, right? That's really what is exciting about research.
You would like to have the explanation of this Higgs particle?